Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new file and setting units to millimeters so prints and casting match. Open reference images and align them to scale. This saves hours later. Place primary measurements, ring size, stone diameter, band width, then import or draw a simple profile curve. Once done, lock the reference layer and create a working layer for sketches. Make sure to name layers clearly. That way version control and exporting STL at the end are straightforward. Now model the main volumes. Sweep the band profile around the finger axis, extrude the seat for the stone, and add prongs or bezels. Use fillets to blend intersections and avoid sharp internal edges that trap resin. When you need holes or complex cuts, do Boolean subtracts but clean up resulting edges immediately. Check symmetry by mirroring and combine with controlled mesh resolution. Make sure to test fit components virtually. Small gaps of 0, 1, 0, 2 mm help assembly and post-processing. Finish by running validation tools. Verify minimum thickness, remove non-manifold faces, and fix inverted normals. Orient the model for printing or casting to minimize supports, then export an STL with appropriate tolerance. Once exported, preview slices to confirm overhangs and support needs. If something goes wrong, like failed prints or holes, inspect mesh integrity, run an automated repair, and reevaluate support placement. Minor scaling tweaks or increasing wall thickness by 0, 1, 0, 3 mm often resolve errors. Finally, save iterations with clear file names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.